Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
Hey, thanks for tuning in to Cars and Joshy. If you're a subscriber to the channel, thanks for watching some of my other stuff. If you're not a subscriber and you're just tuning in, check out the rest of my stuff on Cars and Joshy. I got a little bit different video this time. My pickup truck, I turned a corner and then it started shuddering like really bad on my way home, and so I'm just going to show you real quick what's going on. Go ahead and start it up here. You can see it sounds just fine. Starts up just fine. Not hearing anything out of the ordinary. But if I decide to kick on the AC, that's definitely not a normal sound. And I mean, it is shuddering bad in here. It's like I got some massaging chairs or something in here, and it sounds like it might be coming from back behind here. And when I turned the corner, I felt it kind of pop, like a hose or a line had popped or something, but I'm not real sure. I see it immediately cuts off as soon as I turn the AC off. I mean, it vibrates something mean in here. So this is my next project, and since this is my daily and it's just now getting hot in Texas, I need to figure out what's going on with that. So I'll go ahead and tear into it. You know what it sounds like to me? I ain't never heard of this happening, but the air is blowing cold. The compressor looks good. I see clutch kicking in. AC is cold. I almost think the blower motor like popped out or fell out of place, and it's just back there behind there just spinning, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna pull this down and see if that's what it is. This seems like a good as place as any to start. Yeah, I can't see nothing right there. The hell? What the hell is all this shit? How did it even get back there? Goddamn Burger King napkins and shit. How the fuck? Schwatzky's, Domino's. I didn't even know Domino's had fucking napkins. What the fuck is this? Hell. exactly where it's coming from. Yeah, there's a blower motor, so I'm just gonna drop it down, see what I can see. I might have to move this light, might go dark, but I'm gonna need some room to do this. I might even have to move the camera, but that's my suspect. Something up with the blower motor. So I just want to take it down, take a look. Hot as fucking Texas. Already had 2 showers today. I mowed the lawn this morning, took a shower, took the kids to the pool, amenity centers here. Took a shower after that. Damn, I'll have to take another shower after this shit. Told you I heard something like a hose pop or something. Look at this shit. Where's the camera? There. Found that inside the blower motor. Not really sure what it's from. It's kind of odd. Odd thing to just have pop off as you're driving down the road. No idea where it came from. But yeah. It was just laying inside the blower motor like that, causing a pretty good vibration. I'm just gonna put the blower motor back in there. If anybody knows what this is, where's the camera? Please leave a comment. Let me know where this might have popped off of. It's got gears on it. I'm wondering if maybe it's some type of control for the blend door. I'm not really sure. Looks like maybe something broke off right here. Zoom out. Yeah, looks like maybe something broke off there. And it looked like it has gears where it might have been hooked into something. So maybe I lost functionality of some of my AC controls, which that would suck, but I don't know, as long as I got air, should be alright. I don't want to really get in there and start messing with the controls and turn it to something warm or hot or something else, because then it might get stuck in that position. I'd rather it be stuck in cold. So, and get this stupid thing back up in here. All right, let's see if it sounds a lot better now. Oh yeah, that was definitely it. No more crazy sounds. Like I said, I'm really hesitant to turn any of those knobs because I don't know if this was some type of blend door actuator that broke off. So I don't know if I change the settings, if it gets stuck one way or another. I'm gonna try and find out what this fell off of first before I start playing with that, considering it just turned summertime here in Texas. So thanks for watching this video. Those of you Cars and Joshy subscriber following the El Camino build, thanks for watching something other than the El Camino build that I put out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Josh out.